This is the sample size interactive calculator, which determines how many data points you need for statistically valid results. The calculator offers 6 calculation modes: proportion, estimation for categorical data; mean estimation for continuous data; compare two proportions. Compare two means finite population correction and required confidence level. For this demonstration, I'm using proportion estimation. The input fields include confidence level percentage, margin of error percentage, and expected proportion percentage. Additional fields appear based on your selected mode, including population standard deviation, group 1 and group 2 proportions and means. With their standard deviations, population size, current sample size, and statistical power percentage. Let's work through an example. With confidence level at 95%, margin of error at 5%, and expected proportion at 50%. Clicking Calculate gives us these results. Required sample size equals 385. The z-score shows 1.9600. The calculator also displays fields for per group, effect size, correction factor, and achieved confidence, though these values depend on your calculation mode. This tool helps engineers plan experiments and surveys with proper statistical rigor. Find the link in the description below.